Okay, so now it's time to mop the floors. I'm going to get one mop pad out, blue for the room, and we're going to go inside and I'll show you how we do it. Okay, so here we are inside the room. For the purpose of the training video, I'm just going to show you a small area, but we'd always start in the furthest point of the room and work our way back towards the door so we can exit. So here we are with the mop pad. I'm going to pop it on the floor. To start with, I'm going to make sure that the handle is at the right height for the user. So you unscrew it and bring it up to chin height so your posture is kept good at all times. Twist it around and do it up. Then we have the mop here. It's got little arrows on it so you always know which way the leading edge is. You simply pop it on the pad, fix it in, and we're going to use the same catch technique as we did with the cloth, so it's always going in the one direction. Now you never extend yourself too far, you're just going to go in 1 metre area at a time and go across from side to side, turn it around and bring it back in towards yourself as you make your way across the room. Okay, so now we're going to go to the bathroom area. I've grabbed the red mop handle. I'm going to grab a prepared red mop pad and we're going to go inside. Okay, same as before, I've grabbed a new handle and it's not quite the right height for me. So I'm going to unscrew it and bring it down to chin height so it's comfortable. I've got a mop pad here on the floor. Same thing, we're going to fix it in. And we've got the leading edge, which is that long edge, and there's arrows on the mop head. And we're going to start in the furthest corner and we're going to bring the mop across. Same way with the catching technique, and make sure we cover all of the floor area. Okay, so before we go out of the room and exit the room, we're going to remove the pad from the holder. Now we bring it up with one hand, hold it still, and we're going to roll it up to make sure that we catch any debris that's being caught up in the mop pad. Roll it up like that, and now we're ready to leave the room.